Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 72 from Directorate of Education class 10th subject science. So today we discuss how to manage the garbage. So student, in our daily activities we generate a lot of waste material that are thrown away. Our lifestyle got improved, but garbage get increased and increased, and changes in the attitude also have a role to play, with more and more things we use becoming disposable, because changes in the packing material resulted in the waste becoming non biodegradable. हमारा लाइफस्टाइल ज़रूर चेंज हो गया बेटा, लेकिन इससे पोल्यूशन और इससे बहुत ज़्यादा प्लास्टिक वेस्ट इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है. तो हाउ टू मैनेज दैट गार्बेज so that our earth will not be a plastic planet, because we have to show to our next generation that this is our earth, green and clean earth. How is it possible? Let's discuss. Okay students, garbage contain following type of material: first biodegradable and second non biodegradable. What is biodegradable waste? Biodegradable means the substances that are broken down by the biological processes, like fruit and vegetable peels, paper, jute and dung. These are known as the biodegradable waste. And what about the non-biodegradable waste? Which are not broken down by the biological process are called the non-biodegradable waste, like plastic, glass, polythene. So these are the non-biodegradable waste. What are the methods of the waste disposal, student? There are many methods of the waste disposal, and if we follow in our daily life, then our planet Earth become plastic free, pollution free planet. And I hope after hearing the all methods, you adapt some of the method in your lifestyle, so that we can also become a part to make our earth green. Also, I think we are proud to tell anyone that I am also give contribution for my earth. Okay students, first, biogas plant. Biodegradable material is used to produce the biogas and manure. Second is landfillings. The waste are buried in the low-lying areas, compacted with the bulldozer, so that it can be converted into the compost. Next is recycle. Recycle means you collect the plastic, paper, glass, metal items and give it to the kabadi wala so that it can be recycled. Refuse, it means you have to say no, no, no. For which? For poly bags. If in the market you got poly bag, polythene or plastic from the vendor, then you say no, I have my own bag, my cloth bag, my jute bag. And if you start to say no and no, no to the plastic, then our earth become free from the plastic. Sewage treatment plant. It means the drain water is treated at that plant before adding to river, so that the river pollution be minimized and the aquatic life will be saved. Next, composting. Organic waste filled in the composting pit so that the compost will be prepared for the easy growth of the plant. Reuse. Reuse means we have to reuse again and again that material. We not throw it after a single use. For example, if you have an envelope, and on an envelope you have to write something, but you should not throw the envelope into the dustbin. You just reverse the envelope and write on the other side. It means we can use a single envelope by 2 times. Next, repurpose. Repurpose means When a product can no more used for the original purpose, think carefully and use it for some other purpose. For example, if the handle of your teacup is broken, then grow a plant and use the cup as a pot. Or you can also use it as a vessel for feeding the birds. In morning you can put some cereals for the birds and put on the roof. It means the cracked crockery and the cup without handle, we can repurpose them. By that we can reduce the garbage. Now let's do the exercise. First question, how can you help in reducing the problem of the waste disposal? So these are two methods, student. Reuse and repurpose, refuse. Many methods are here. You can write any two. I think these are the best. First is refuse and second is reuse. These two you have to write in the answer first. Second, list the problems due to non-biodegradable waste produced by us. What are the problems, student? Pollution and plastic waste increase. List the name that can be recycled. What are the things that can you recycled? Paper, plastic. Write the advantages of the sewage. So this is your sewage treatment plant and that is your fourth answer. Last one. If you say no to plastic bag, then bag of which material you can use? We can use the bag with jute and cotton. To reduce plastic pollution. So student, if you like that worksheet, share among your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you, and I think you must follow some of these methods to make our planet Earth greener and cleaner. Thank you.